Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to cover how to plot points on a coordinate plane. And as you can see, there are 6 ordered pairs on the left-hand side of your screen. We're going to plot those points on the coordinate plane that's on the right-hand side of your screen. But before we get into plotting points, there are a couple things we need to cover regarding that coordinate plane that are very important when it comes to plotting points. And the first is the side-to-side or horizontal axis. We need to know the side-to-side or horizontal axis is our x-axis. So I'll put an x there for a reminder as we work our way through plotting these points. Now the second thing we need to know is that the vertical or up and down axis is our y-axis, and I'll label that one as well, so that will help us as we go through our 6 ordered pairs that we're going to plot. So now that we know which one's the x-axis and which one's the y, we can get into plotting these points. So let's jump right in to number 1. And we have -3, 5 there. And the x-coordinate always comes first. So this -3 is our x-coordinate, and the 5 is our y. Again, the x-coordinate always comes first, and then the y. So now let's plot this point. So we always start from the center here, the 0, 0, and I'll put a circle around it. We always start from 0, 0, the center of our coordinate plane. And then we go over on our x-axis first. And our first coordinate here is a -3. That's our x. So we need to go left to 0 over to -3 here. And then we need to go up 5 because we have a +5. So over -3, up 5. Always over, then up. And where the -3 and the 5 intersect, we plot our point. And I'll label this -3, 5. So let's go to number 2. Our x is a +6, and then we need to go down to -7. So we start at our origin in the center, and we go over 6. So we find our +6 here. And now we need to go down -7. And we're going down because that's a -7, not a +7. So we go down, find where they intersect, and plot our point. And I'll label our point 6, -7. So number 3, we have 0, -3. So since our x-coordinate is a 0, we do not need to move on our x-axis. So we stay right here at 0 in the center, and our y is a -3. So again, this is a negative, so we're going to go down on our y-axis to -3, and we plot our point, and it's actually going to be directly on our y-axis since we didn't move over at all on our x-axis. So this is 0, -3. Number 4, we have 2 negative numbers here, -5, -8. So let's start in the center here and go over to -5. And then we need to go down to -8 and find where they intersect and plot our point. Then we'll label -5, -8. Number 5, we have a negative x-coordinate and a positive y-coordinate. So we start in the center, go over to -9, and then up 8, because again, that y-coordinate is positive. So we go up 8 and plot our point. So -9, 8. Lastly, we have 2 positive coordinates, 5, 7. So we would go over to +5 here, and then up to positive 7, plot our point, and label 5, 7. So there you have it. There's how you plot points on a coordinate plane. Just remember, x is horizontal side to side, and y is up and down vertical. Your x coordinate always comes first. Always go side to side, then up or down. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.